everybody. Welcome to tonight's Echale, which we're having a fantastic set of presenters today. I would like to invite our first speaker, which I've got to tell you, she was one of the first people I met when I was working at Southside first. As you know, I moved here from Washington, D.C., so home of all the federal agencies. And as I got to know this person, I got to see why San Antonio is shining on the national stage for the Small Business Administration. This person is the director for the San Antonio office, so she oversees 55 counties. So she's a little bit busy. And Mary Hernandez moved here from Miami, Florida. So she's just celebrated her first year in San Antonio. Let's give her a warm San Antonio welcome. Southside welcome.
Thank you so much, Gabriela. So I have had the honor of leading the SBA San Antonio team for a year. It's been a year just last week, and it's gone by just like that. But it's wonderful to be in a city that is vibrant and entrepreneurial, and so it's really the perfect place for SBA to partner like community partners like Southside First. And again, just working together to make sure that we're helping people achieve the American dream through entrepreneurship. And so today actually marks the beginning of Small Business Week for SBA. So May 1st through May 7th is Small Business Week. And on Thursday, I'll have the privilege of announcing our local winners and, women-owned businesses, our lending partners. So we have quite a few businesses who are being recognized locally and a couple actually nationally. So I just wanted to, again, share that it's Small Business Week and just remind you and encourage you to reach out to SBA. We have so many programs and services that are available to help you start and grow and obviously recover. A lot of our programs, a lot of our focus over the past 2 years was on COVID disaster programs. And so slowly we're starting to pivot to our flagship programs. We have our funding programs. We have government contracting, procurement opportunities, international trade. My background, for 18 years, I was the lead export finance manager in Miami, so I know that very well. And again, there's a lot of opportunity for that here. But today, what I wanted to do is officially present a strategic alliance memorandum that we have signed with Southside First. And I just wanted to read just a couple of paragraphs so that you get the idea of what the purpose is of this SAM. And in fact, I think this may have been the first SAM that I signed since having arrived in San Antonio. So you have the fancy folder. Very fancy. But let me just... So the United States Small Business Administration, SBA, and the Southside First Economic Development Council are joined by a common mission to help start, maintain, and expand small businesses. So we will work together in the spirit of cooperation and open communications with the primary goal of meeting the needs of the small business community. The purpose of this Strategic Alliance Memorandum is to develop and foster mutual understanding and a working relationship between SBA and Southside First Economic Development Council in order to strengthen and expand small business development in the local area. So again, thank you for allowing SBA to partner with Southside First. It's truly a privilege, and we look forward to getting to know as many small businesses in the community and helping them thrive.
Thank you very much, Mary. And really, your leadership is amazing. San Antonio was a kickoff city for the Latino Economic White House Summit.
That's right.
And
our mobile office.
Yes, I was going to say we were the first mobile office. So this is the partnership, innovation, and let's take action now. because the mission is too big. We have to strengthen our small businesses. So thank you for your partnership in that, Mary.